Hey publishers, there's a new button that I wanted to show you, and it's in the bottom left corner here. You'll see that there's like this little pop-out window with an arrow. This is now a great place for your card manager. So if you've seen and used this before, where you can click and drag, you can move all your items around, that kind of thing, that button is this one up here, that card manager up at the top. So that's where you can see all of your cards. Again, really helps if you want to click and drag and move some things around, reorder them. There is a better spot now where you can truly see if it's next to where you want to drop it. As you can kind of see, there's that blue line next to the outlined box, and that'll tell you exactly where that's going to go. You'll also notice at the bottom here, there's these buttons that you can undo if you want to switch it back. You can delete that card. I can undo that. You can clone the card. So those are just bigger buttons for you there. You still have all of these features up here. You can still click delete. You can clone it. You can add your new card from images for those of you that are using PowerPoint or something else. And then you can add a new slide as well. So those are all still there. Again, if I wanted to add a new card, I totally can too. So those buttons are still up there, but we wanted to make them nice and clear at the bottom for you there. So that is what is new this week on Boom.